Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Vizio TV if it is frozen. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're playing a streaming app and it's frozen, or maybe you're just watching one of the local channels and your screen freezes. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way that I actually fixed this was that when my TV screen was frozen, what I simply did was that I actually took the plug, which is right over there, and then I pulled it out. And then I left it off for about a minute. Okay, so the key thing is that you want to make sure that you leave it unplugged for about a minute. And then after a minute, you want to go ahead and replug it back in. Now, after you replug it back in, the TV should reload back up and you should be able to play your streaming services. Now, if your TV does continue to freeze, okay, the other thing that you can do is that you can grab your Vizio TV remote and click on Menu. And then on this page here, you want to navigate to where it says System. So click on System, and then you want to click on Check for Updates. So what this is going to do is that this is going to check for updates so that your Vizio TV is up to date with the latest version. So by being up to date with the latest version, you will be able to make sure that everything does run smoothly. Now, if your TV does continue to still freeze, okay, the last resort thing that you can do is that on the same page here under System, if you scroll down to where it says Reset and Admin, you can reset your TV back to its factory default settings. So once you reset it to its factory default settings, you're basically going to clear its memory, you're going to clear its space, and it's basically starting like with a fresh new TV. So if you do decide to do this, you would have to go ahead and reinstall some apps and also relog back into apps. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a Vizio TV if it is frozen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.